Hi friends, tomorrow we'll start for Kolkata from Hyderabad and this orange I-20 will accompany us.
তো আমরা কোথায় যাচ্ছি? আমরা এখন ভাইজাগের দিকে যাচ্ছি কলকাতা জার্নিতে। এখন আমরা উপ্পল ক্রস করলাম, এলবিনগর থেকে লেফট হ্যান্ড সাইড টার্ন নেব। সো উইল টেক আ টার্ন ফ্রম এলবিনগর and we'll head towards Vijayawada.
Today we are planning to reach Vizag.
At least.
At most, Srikakulam.
So Vivan is with us. Vivan, you want to say something?
Say Vivan. Say something. Say hi.
Say at least good morning. So now we are into National Highway 65. আমরা এখন রামজির দিকে যাচ্ছি, সোজা বিজয়ওয়াড়া হাইওয়েতে ঢুকে যাবো একটু বাদে। দারুণ সুন্দর রোড, এক্সট্রিমলি গুড। Vivan is sleeping. Yeah, Vivan is playing. Vivan,
What are you doing?
Say.
তুমি বলো, তোমার ভিডিও ইউটিউবে যাবে তো।
Say it, Vivan.
Nothing,
You're
you are doing
playing. Say,
nothing.
I'm playing. Say loud.
See the sunrise. So beautiful.
Yes.
वो खेलते ही बस।
Hi. Hi, Vivan.
Say
Hi! Bye!
So now we have entered Vijayawada highway, heading towards Vijayawada. So from Vizag it is somewhere around 576. So Vijayawada would be somewhere around 200 kilometers. Vijayawada 235 kilometers. Extremely good road. Condition is extremely good. Early morning drive. Stop, eat and drive. Stop, eat, redrive. জানি না খোলা আছে কিনা, বোঝা যাচ্ছে না। Let's see. Vicky Babu is going out. তো আমরা विजयवाड़ा हाईवे थे, जस्ट रोड साइड हाय से हाय। अरे क्या हो गया? So we have just stopped in the Vijayawada highway. Just to have a road trip, road tea. আমার ছবি আসতে হবে। এই যে ভিকি বাবু, এদিক থেকে দেখা যাচ্ছে না, এবার করলে দেখো এরকম হাফ প্যান্ট পরে জুতো পরে কিভাবে যাচ্ছে দেখি। विवान, तुम क्या खाओगे बेटा? से समथिंग। जस्ट रोड साइड में हम लोग थोड़ा सा ही ब्रेकफास्ट कर रहे हैं, फिर बाद में करेंगे। विवान तुम क्या खाओगे? बोंडा। ठीक है, बोंडा खा लो।
बोलना तो मैं खाने ही जा रहा हूँ।
जस्ट रोड साइड। Unfortunately, the stop, eat, redive is not open here, so we couldn't have anything. So it is here actually we are having a little breakfast. So we are cruising at more than 100 now. We are cruising more than 100 now, heading towards Vijayawada. So another 192 kilometers from here. Vijayawada probably will reach by another 3 hours.
Yes.
Cut করবেন কি হবে?
started
একে নিয়ে
journey?
গেছে।
No, no. 0.6.
The road. So again, we are towards Vijayawada. We are heading towards Kokar. Vijayawada is somewhere around 160 km from here. No? Vizag, it's still showing 8 hours. Shimpet we have crossed now. To the hills. Now we are waiting for Vivan's online class. Vivan,
Are you excited for your online class?
Vivan, online class on a highway. No. Yes, online class on highway.
Class 1.
Class 1, okay. Tollgate করছো? So let's see, like, this is how the FASTag works these days. This is Challakallu Plaza. So it will automatically work. So what are they doing there? Where are you stopping your car? Okay. See, ऑटोमेटिकली हो गया, उठ गया, फिर डिडक्ट कर दिया पैसा मेरा. अभी चलो मोदी जी. अरे लवली सीन. ब्यूटीफुल.
परफेक्ट माउंटेन एकदम ट्रायंगल.
अरे mountain.
पिक्चर ड्राइंग करी
एगुलो
ना.
it's 9:50. We have entered Vijayawada. Now from here we'll be heading towards Vizag. We'll have some lunch on the way. Now Mr. Vicky, that man with the glass, Mr. Vicky Shaw, is on driving seat now. How you are feeling, man?
I'm feeling great. It's a really nice car to drive.
Very lovely.
So
lovely.
smooth, and the roads are also like a butter. We are sleeping.
You are sleeping and driving. अरे क्या बात कर रहे हो भाई? ऐसे मत बोलो. ठोकना है क्या?
It is like
हाँ, it's sleeping. Sleeping. Actually, Vicky's son is sleeping. So और विकी भी ड्राइविंग करते करते क्या बोल रहे हैं? स्लीप कर रहा है. अरे भाई क्या बात कर रहे हो? ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. Let him drive, not to disturb. So let's see. We have entered it.
Sun is sleeping.
Son is sleeping. Vicky is sleeping.
No, we can sleeping. Butter na slippers.
अच्छा. Yes.
Fizzling.
हाँ.
Roads
तो
are
रोड
like-
क्या है? रोड मक्खन जैसा है, तो विकी शायद उसमें स्लिप कर गया. तो वही बात है. तो हमें समझने में थोड़ा गलती हुआ था.
It's fizzling.
So my dear audience, please excuse us for this. Vicky has slipped.
It is not slipped. It is slipped.
Slipped. Huh?
Okay.
SLIPPED.
Yeah. Okay.
So already we have paid a good number of toll taxes. Fastag is working, but it would have been much smoother. So still it is taking time.
We have to stop.
We have to stop. Even I have seen one car, they have taken some what it is called, that sensor out. They have taken, the sensor is not working properly in many tolls. So anyway, it has been implemented. So it will get better with the times, of course. अन्ना कैसे चला रहे हो बाइक? ये अन्ना कैसे कर रहा है?
अपने रोड के बीच में आ जाते हैं.
हाँ.
Oh, he is also sleeping.
चलो ये स्टॉक वार्ड बन गया. सो वी आर टुवर्ड्स वाइजैक नाउ. वाइजैक इज शोइंग सम not too much light. It's not coming. It's showing 7 hours from here. So we are still on National Highway 65. We are heading towards now Kanak Durga flyover. The car is cruising. It's somewhere around 71, 69, 65, 64, 63.
It's so much greenery
So,
here. It's greenery road.
It's full of greenery. Anyway, we will catch up again. Now, let's call it off for this time being. So this is Kanak Durga flyover. So last time when I came, actually, last time I drove to Hyderabad, from Hyderabad to Kolkata, this flyover was not in picture actually. So we went, actually that time we went below this flyover. It's a fantastic one. It has reduced the congestion of traffic. Nice flyover. City of Vijayawada.
In 600 meters,
What river is this?
National Highway 65.
So there is a river. I don't know the name of this river. So there's a bridge. One train is flying actually. Train is going there. Wow. Beautiful.
Continue on National Highway 65 for 3 kilometers.
Okay, we will continue on National Highway 65 for 3 kilometers. Okay, fine, Karen. It's a train. So, let's sign it off now. Now we have crossed Vijayawada, heading towards Vizag. So this is Elluru. We are heading towards Elluru now. This is extremely good to feel the National Highway drive. The road is so beautiful. As you can of course see here. NH 65.
Still in the 65.
So Vizag is somewhere around showing 5 hours. But surely we'll have our lunch. So it will extend to at least somewhere around 6 hours 30 minutes. So by evening we may be reaching Vizag.
Everyone silent.
Say Sebastian.
So now we are heading towards Rajamandri. Another 34 kilometers. The weather has suddenly turned from sunny morning to
Cloudy weather.
now it has become
Awesome.
cloudy.
Full of coconut trees.
हम लोग वाइजैक जा रहे हैं पर हम लोग कहाँ हैं वो
Vicky Dada!
Victoria.
Vivan?
Yeah.
Vivan, say hi.
Hi.
Say how you are feeling.
How you are feeling?
Good.
So are you feeling hungry?
Yes.
So what do you want to have?
Anything.
Anything?
Yeah.
Rice, chicken, mutton. What do you want to have? Dal, curry.
More.
So
More options.
tell me more options. Acha, roti, chapati, curry, curd.
कर्ड तो ये छुए रहो खाइए
So now you have to final. Say. You have
Tell
to
me.
say 2 items.
So
fast.
many options are given now. Tell me what do you want to have?
Say it. Pizza.
Pizza.
Okay.
Pizza on National Highway.
So what kind of pizza you want? Chicken pizza, veg pizza, mushroom pizza?
Dosa pizza.
Yeah.
Lovely. Take it.
Okay, you eat dosa pizza.
No, I'll not eat. I will eat elephant, hippos, these things.
Okay.
Huh? Okay.
I want
You want what?
chicken pizza.
Chicken pizza.
Yeah.
Momo?
Nah.
Momo you do.
Yeah.
Momo you want?
Yeah.
अरे great. कहाँ से ले रहे?
ये तो की दूसरा आना था आगे.
Momo.
Okay. So sign off होते हैं हम लोग.
Huh?
Sign out.
Say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
See you later.
See you later. Good night.
Good night. We haven't have our lunch and we are telling good night. How silly. Say tata.
Tata.
हाँ वीडियो ही हो जाए. So we are heading towards Vizag, somewhere around 100 kilometers from here. Nice cloudy weather. It's raining a bit also. Not now. We had lunch at Rajamandri. It was a Andhra kind of thali.
Okay. पार्सल क्या कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट है क्या? पैसा सा है क्या? डायमंड गोल्ड कुछ?
आपको लेफ्ट राइट कहीं से आना होगा, वो मतलब वो पेट्रोल पंप लगातार इंडियन ऑयल वाला तक होगा।
हाँ
एकदम इंडियन ऑयल पेट्रोल के साथ होगा और वो आएगा फिर दे देगा।
ठीक है, देखता हूँ। हाँ ओके, ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है, ओके ओके, डन है जी। हाँ हाँ
वो तो एक छोटा सा
दिस इज अ प्लेट्यू।
plateau. What is a plateau?
It is a group of mountains.
No, plateau is a tableland.
Okay, tableland. Wow, I like that. I like tableland.
So Vivan, sing a song once.
No,
Like,
don't get that.
no, I want to listen one song. Come on.
Get with your feet.
So, what we have done, we have dropped the idea to stay at Vizag and now heading towards
We are heading
Srikakulam.
to Srikakulam.
Will not stay at Vizag.
What is Vizag?
Vizag is a place, sea beach, but will not stay there. We are going to stay at Srikakulam. No, what? No.
We're going to Kolkata.
We'll go, but today not possible, no? So do one thing, you want to go today? So we'll drop you at Vizag airport. You take a flight and go?
No.
Oh my God.
We just go.
We just go.
आराम से पापा।
Okay.
Okay, sare.
Cut. Bye.
Bye, sign out. So here we are staying for the night. So we couldn't go to Srikakulam. So this is Vizag. So here we are staying. This is the entrance, Ramachandra Residency. This is the single occupancy of my room. Vivan, say hi.
Hi.
So you'll be staying here. आज आप यहाँ पे रहोगे?
अभी यार होगा, फिर बाद में कोलकाता जाऊंगा, फिर बाद में हैदराबाद भी जाऊंगा।
अच्छा ठीक है,
तो अभी रात में क्या खाना है? चिकन.
हाँ
ओके. Say hi again
आई
and tell sign out.